介绍他Dr. Aziza 呢，他本来的专业是医生，而且呢，他是Anti-Aging Society 的这个of Malaysia 的一名成员。那我觉得说由他来分享他自己的见证，我们稀有公听，好不好？Can Dr. Aziza you share your testimony?
Thank you. Good morning, ST family. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share some testimonials with you all. Okay. I've been a consumer of ageLOC R2 for the last 3 years, and I find that it makes me energetic. And my patients comment that I look young and my skin is good. I also noted there's slowing or graying of the hair. That's important since I'm really above a certain age. My personal testimony that amazed me, because I started it in 2012, but in December 2012 I had a very bad sprain, ankle sprain overseas while I was trying to cross the road, and it's got a high pavement and the ankle just went like that. So it took me about 2 months for the ankle sprain to heal, just being on R2, okay, on R2. At the same time, I've got a 25-year-old lady, a neighbor of mine, who sleep in her house, you know, just mopping the floor and just slip and fell. She also sprained her ankle, but it took her 8 months to heal. She was even on plaster and crutches. So I was looking at, oh, she's half my age and she's taking far too long to heal, because I sort of saw her at a wedding, going in crutches, attending a wedding reception. So I said, wow, it's really fantastic, R2. So for my patients, usually I just share with close friends of mine who happen to be my patient. There's a 42-year-old lady. She has got high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, and she was discussing and saying, there's too much medication I need to take. Is there anything that you can take off? So I told her perhaps we could remove the cholesterol lowering medicine, but we take her blood test before that, and she agreed to it. And 4 months later, a repeat blood test showed her total cholesterol and the bad cholesterol, the LDL, were normal. So that's good. Her diabetes and also blood pressure was also under control on minimal medication. The second testimony, I've got a 32-year-old man with gout. He's a good eater, so if you try telling him not to eat this, that, you know, if somebody has got gout, the uric acid is high and you're supposed to avoid certain food. But this guy, he just loves lamb. He must have lamb every week. You see, you're supposed to stay away from red meat. So I said, now what can I do with him? I said, okay, would you like to try a supplement? I said, R2, and see how it could help you. Then he agreed to it, and as expected, he got another attack because he just can't stay away from red meat. But this time, he says his attack is bearable and not painful, and it healed in a shorter duration of time with the R2. So after seeing this, you know, what R2 can do, so I decided to look into being in Nu Skin business, because all the while I'm just a consumer, right? I'm just sharing with friends and family. With USPAN, where just a group of people only managed to, fortunate enough to be on USPAN, I find that it even helped further if you are able to take USPAN. There's a 50-year-old guy who has been on G3 all along, And when U-Span came, and he was on U-Span, I think for about 1 month plus, and after that he was complaining he frequently has sort of a headache. So I said, because he's using glasses, so I said, you better go and check your vision. So he went to see the optometrist, and the optometrist found that the power was just too much for him and they reduced. So which means to say his vision was improved with U-Span.
Wow.
That's really powerful.
Yeah.
And my brother, who is like 50 years old, right? He has got all the diseases that you could think of, and is very busy working from early morning till 2 a.m. So I said, you really have to be on TR90. Since I said your condition looks so bad, you better also have R-squared and U-Span with it. And being very busy, his result was fantastic. He lost 10 kg. His visceral fat went down 4%, his muscle went up 2%, and his body age went down 7 years. So I see the combination of all these three is really very, very good. As you know, age-lock technology targets the source of aging. And aging is the cause of degenerative diseases like cancer, osteoarthritis, diabetes, heart disease. So if we can delay aging, all of this could also, the incidence of this could also be reduced. So I see age-lock has come at a timely time to address all these issues of aging. And we have Nu Skin to thank for.
Thank you very much.